Hi everybody, this is Bob and the gang from Multiprint. If you're watching this video, then you are interested in product information on one of my Monster Kiosks. My name is Bob Miller, I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you're interested in pricing and product information, this is my phone number. All right, let's get into it. What is this thing? I call it a Monster Kiosk. I also refer to this as a fan interactive static graphic display. What does that mean for you? Let's do a quick walk around so you can get an idea. This is side one here, which is generally regarded as an autograph panel, pretty much show a generic blank. Side two would be considered a step and repeat of a logo. Side three, in this case, is a photo mural assembly of a personality or a celebrity or a player. What is a Monster Kiosk? A Monster Kiosk is a three-sided steel frame construction. This particular one is 8 foot by 12 foot as it's showing. All Monster Kiosks are skinned with banner graphics. I use an 18-ounce blockout, otherwise known as opaque banner material. Because this is a dimensional display, I use opaque to keep the sun from blasting through the images. All banners are secured with ball bungees. I use ball bungees for a couple of reasons. One of them in particular is this is a static display, and these ball bungees provide motion and movement with the wind load on this. Another thing here is, with all ball bungees, I secure what I call a true right angle corner here, which ensures the banners are mechanically secured and square in the frames. We're going to continue with the walk around on this. So this is a kit-built modular display which I assemble on your show site. I have multiple sizes available. This one showing here is 8 foot by 12 foot. I also can make an 8 by 24, 8 by 36, 8 by 48, freestanding, outdoor grade, wind load, structural kiosk. And the banner graphics are one piece as you go bigger with no seams. In any event, thank you for watching the video. My name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. You've seen product information on my Monster Kiosk. If you're looking for me for rental and pricing information, once again, here's my phone number. And thanks for watching the video, and that's a wrap.